Hello and welcome to the next lesson in which I will talk about facial age. I'm going to take as a reference the bust I previously created to explain the three levels of age in which we can practice the expressions, adding those small details that will make a difference when organizing chronologically the age of your character. So we'll start with the young facial features. For starters, I'm going to make the expression of the eyes using an amplification. It may result a bit exaggerated, and we will modify it now, but usually the young characters in this style of animation and illustration see their facial features being exaggerated because big eyes represent tenderness. I'm going to make the eyebrows thinner, and I'll also slightly change the mouth and the nose to make new ones smaller, ones that convey that childhood or youth feeling. I will round the face a bit more, and you have to consider that at the end it will be something more childish, so you can play around with the expression of the mouth. Maybe a bigger smile with the mouth more open can be a good feature of a childish expression. I'm going to shrink a bit more the head and work a bit more in the mouth. Well, the only thing left would be to put on a hairstyle that represents this age. So maybe short hair or a little ponytail would do it. They usually have messy hair, and generally, when drawing these characters, we don't usually go deeper on the hairstyle because at this age they don't usually pay much attention. In this case, it's a much younger girl. She has short hair, and you can notice she's younger than the girl on the right, which is a middle aged girl. Now it's just a matter of adding details you see fit. We're going to go on to the second example. This time the bangs will be shorter, and we're going to treat it like it was the same character, so I'm not going to change any of the features. The ones she has are ideal for a middle-aged person. The only thing I'm going to change is the hairstyle for a longer hair. A hairstyle that the character has been taking more care of. I'm going to clean these a bit, erasing the part of the head we don't need, and also the ear. So I'm going to draw it as if the hair was over the ear. And I'm going to make more elaborate bangs to make it look like she had a well-defined part in the middle. Like this. So basically this would be the result. Let's go on to the third one, which would be the senior woman. So let's repeat the same process we did with the young girl, but opposite. This time what we're going to do is to shrink the eyes so they have this more relaxed, more calmed expression, like a well-read person. Let's sharpen a bit her face and add some wrinkles that support a slightly more tired gaze. Let's accentuate the cheeks. It's a bit more entertaining because you just have to add wrinkles, so there's not too much mystery on it. So what we're going to do is, instead of trimming the hair or drawing long hair, what we're going to do is draw her hair up, quite adequate for her age, so we can draw it up in a bun. We'll draw some loose hair so it looks more natural. And well, basically, we would have here the structure of our advanced stage woman. That, as you see, there are different phases in aging, but these are the most representative that I wanted to highlight so you can practice. Obviously, there's the young teenagers, so you can play around a lot more with facial expression, but this is the result that I wanted to show you. And, well, I hope you liked it. See you in the next lesson, and any doubt you have, you can ask in the forum.